Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making easy skillet chili mac. Alright, I'm starting out here in a large skillet. I browned up 1.5 pounds of ground beef and I drained off the excess grease. Now I'm going to add in a half a cup of water. Guys, this is a really quick, easy meal for a weeknight. Now I'm going to take a can of chili with beans, a 15-ounce can, and add it. And if you don't like beans, you can get the chili without beans. That's optional. And Dexter's all charged up because he loves pasta and he loves chili. Right, Dexter? So you're going to get all your chili in there. Alright, we're looking good. Now I'm going to add 12 ounces of chunky salsa in here. This is a 24-ounce jar, so it's half a jar. I'm just going to eyeball it. Okay, that's looking about good. Now I'm going to cook this over medium heat for about 5 minutes or so until it starts to thicken up some and the salsa and chili heats through. Alright, now that my chili simmered for a while and it thickened up, I have some elbow macaroni here I boiled up. We're going to get that in. This is a pound. And you don't have to make this much, guys. It's just I'm feeding 5 of us, so... And any leftovers that we don't eat, Holly takes to work for her co-workers because they like my cooking. So I'm just going to go ahead and stir in this chili sauce. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and added some shredded cheddar cheese and some fresh parsley. A little cheesiness and some color. Let's get in here and give this a try. That's good. Get the flavor of that chili. The salsa's coming through. The cheesiness of the cheddar cheese. That's really delicious and it wasn't hard at all, guys. Alright, there you have it. Easy skillet chili mac. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.